Hi friends, here we are discussing about the topic real-time operating system. What is RTOS? It responds to inputs immediately. Here, the task is completed within a specified time delay. In real-life situations like controlling traffic signal or a nuclear reactor or an aircraft, the operating system has to respond quickly. What a RTOS is not. Real-time computing is equivalent to fast computing. Real-time systems operate in a static environment. Real-time programming involves assembly coding, priority interrupt programming, writing device drivers. Soft RTOS. In a soft real-time system, it is considered undesirable but not catastrophic if deadlines are occasionally missed, also known as best effort systems. Most modern operating systems can serve as the base for a soft real-time systems. Examples: multimedia transmission and reception, networking, telecom networks, websites and services, computer games. Hard RTOS. A hard real-time system has time-critical deadlines that must be met, otherwise a catastrophic system failure can occur. Absolutely, positively, first time, every time. Requires formal verification or guarantees of being to always meet its hard deadlines. Examples: air traffic control, vehicle subsystem control, nuclear power plant control. Functions of RTOS: task management, scheduling, resource allocation, interrupt handling. Task management. In real-time applications, the process is called as task, which takes execution time and occupies memory. Task management is the process of managing tasks through its life cycle. Scheduling in RTOS. First one, more information about the tasks are now. Number of tasks, resource requirements, release time, execution time, deadlines. Second one, being a more deterministic system, better scheduling algorithms can be devised. Resource allocation in RTOS. First one, resource allocation. The issues with the scheduling applicable here. Resource can be allocated in weighted round robin or priority based. Second one, some resources are non-preemptible. Example, semaphores. And third one, priority inversion if priority scheduling is used. Other RTOS issues. First one, interrupt latency should be very small. That is, kernel has to respond to real-time events and interrupts should be disabled for minimum possible time. And second one, for embedded applications, kernel size should be small. Here should fit in ROM. And third one, sophisticated features can be removed. No virtual memory, no protection. Interrupts handling of RTOS. An interrupt is a signal from a device attached to a computer or from a program within a computer that causes the main program, that is operating system, to stop and figure out what to do next. Interrupts cause the processor to suspend the operations, whatever it is doing, execute the code that will respond to the event whatever caused the interrupt. Applications of RTOS. Almost all the modern telecommunication systems make use of RTOS. Radar systems, network switching control system, satellite monitoring systems, satellite launch control and maneuvering mechanisms, global positioning systems all have their roots in RTOS. And last, nowadays RTOS are increasingly finding use in strategic and military operations. These are used in guided missile launching units, track and trace soy satellites, etc. Thank you.